Okay, our first example here tells us to estimate the perimeter of the arrow. And if you remember that perimeter is the area around the outside edge. So you can estimate by actually counting the edges of the ones that go straight across and estimating the diagonals. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I have 6 here. I have 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I have 6 here. I have 2 here. So really and truly, here's where I've got to do my estimating because I'm not going along a straight line. So if I take a look at this, I can see that I'm actually going 1, 2, 3, 4 diagonals. So you can take a piece of paper and kind of mark off what an edge is, and then you can kind of mark off what a diagonal is. And you'll notice that a diagonal is a little bit longer than just one line. So what I'm doing, and it's not quite a half more, but you could estimate it to be a 1.5. So if I was saying this is 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes higher, but they're actually about 1.5 because they're diagonals. So I'd have 4 and then two halves, which would be about 6. So approximately it would be 6 because about 4.5 would approximately equal 6, which means this is approximately going to equal 6. When I have squiggly lines for my equal, it means approximately. So if I did that and then added these up, I would have my 6 and my 6 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, plus my two sixes, which would be 12, and remember that's approximately, would equal 32 units. So it is about 32 units. If there are no labels, you call them units. If it was labels, you'd write centimeters or inches or whatever the label is. But when there's just no label and it's just graph paper like this, you could call it units. So the answer to that is about 32 units. So again, count all of the regular lines that go straight away. The diagonals you kind of need to just estimate at about 1.5 per box over or up. So if you think you understand this one, you'll be able to click next and there'll be 2 for you to try on the next page.